Take a look at this YouTube channel. It has gained over 40,000 subscribers with just 65 videos, and almost every video is getting millions of views. And all they're posting are these tooth cleaning videos. Now here's the crazy part. Today I'll show you how to create these exact videos using AI. Let's get started. I've created a master prompt for this. You'll find the link in the description. Copy that master prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. It will generate 10 viral video ideas for you. For example, I'll choose the second one, so I'll just type 2. Now ChatGPT will give us 4 image prompts. Copy the first image prompt. Now open Flow AI and click on Create Image. Choose your aspect ratio, number of outputs. Paste the prompt and click Generate. Within seconds, your images are ready. Pick one you like and use it. Now copy the second image prompt from ChatGPT and repeat the same process. Generate all the images one by one and save them. Once your images are ready, it's time to turn them into videos. Go back to ChatGPT and type video prompt. It will generate 3 video prompts. Now open Create Video in Flow AI. Select frames to video. Choose your aspect ratio, number of outputs. Upload image 1 as frame 1. Image 2 as frame 2. Now copy the first video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Click Generate. And just like that, your first video is ready. Take a look. It looks really realistic. Save it. Now repeat the same process. Image 2 to frame 1. Image 3 to frame 2. Use the second video prompt, generate and save. Do the same for the third video. Once all your videos are ready, open your editing software. Import all the clips and arrange them in order. Slightly zoom into each clip to remove the watermark. And now, you have your final video. And that's how you can create these viral tooth cleaning videos using AI. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Reavron for more AI tutorials. And comment below which niche I should cover next.